A good Thursday morning, everybody. I'm Sean Hammond from the Lake Country Weather Center. Hope your day is getting off to a good start. Looking out for the potential for strong to severe storms coming up tomorrow, so let's jump right into it. First off, there's a look at the current radar this morning. Nothing going on across the Commonwealth at this time, and we don't expect anything to happen throughout the day today. I think it'll mainly be dry, partly sunny skies is what we're calling for, with temperatures in the upper 70s. All right, let's check out the severe threat. This is valid for today and tonight. You can see the Storm Prediction Center has a level 1 marginal risk. This basically includes Louisville, pretty much the Ohio River border counties in Kentucky. So Louisville going down through Owensboro and over into far western Kentucky. Now let's move this to day 2, which will be valid tomorrow. You can see things shift into our area. There's going to be a level 1 marginal risk for much of central and eastern Kentucky. And then down here in the Lake Cumberland region and points to our south and west, there's a level 2 slight risk. That's the yellow here. And I'll draw that here. This is the slight risk. There's a level 3 enhanced risk just to the west of Bowling Green back through western Kentucky. That's the orange. And then you see that red down there at the bottom of the screen. That's a moderate risk down in the far southern part of the U.S. where we do think storms will be more stronger over there tomorrow. So it looks like this is going to come to us in multiple waves. So let's jump right into the future radar. And we will take this back here. I'm going to have to jump it back here. Try to start us out tomorrow. Let's push this all the way back to today at about 6 o'clock this morning. I'm coming to you at 5 a.m., so let's jump this at 6 o'clock. And you can see the radar is trying to show a few widely scattered showers. Not expecting a whole lot out of those, to be honest. I think it's going to be mainly dry today. So let's start moving this forward. There's 9, 10 o'clock this morning, still nothing. Noon. Like I said, I think it will be mainly dry today. You can see by 3 o'clock this afternoon, maybe a few showers to our south and west and a few thunderstorms. Look at these thunderstorms popping up in parts of Indiana later on today. Of course, back to the west and parts of Oklahoma and Texas, that's where the bigger threat for strong to severe storms is today. And you can see storms will start to rapidly fire in that part of the world. Look at that. By 5 o'clock this afternoon, a lot of storms forming in southern Oklahoma and close to the Texas Panhandle. Here in our world, trying to show up a few showers. Like I always try to tell you guys, don't take how this model looks to the bank. It's not exactly how the radar is going to look. I always try to stress that as it's just a model. It's just kind of trying to give us an idea of how things will look. So let's jump this. I'll tell you what, let's go into about 10 o'clock tonight. And you can see, look at that, numerous areas being inundated from showers and storms. Look at this, West Virginia stretching through parts of Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, and then back down to the west in parts of Oklahoma, northern Texas, and even Arkansas. So this is a pretty large system going to be affecting a lot of real estate. 11 o'clock tonight, again, still pretty quiet here in the Lake Cumberland region. Let's jump into about 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. And this run of the bottle, trying to bring some showers and storms into parts of central Kentucky around Lexington and the Frankfort area. 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, now look at this. Maybe some showers and storms trying to push their way south into the Lake Cumberland region. Let's go up to about 8 o'clock tomorrow. And this run has us and most of the state, like I said, inundated with showers and a few embedded thunderstorms. Some of those storms could be strong. You can see on this run, looks like the best chance for strong to severe storms tomorrow morning will be to our west. And that's where that level 3 enhanced risk is posted at this time. Let's go up to noon tomorrow. You can see there's a round of showers and storms. Some of those storms could be severe, trying to push into the Lake Cumberland region. We'll go up to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That initial line gets through the region. Still have rain behind that, and we are watching out for the potential for flash flooding. I think the best flooding potential is going to be to our north and west, but we still could have some isolated pockets of flash flooding here in our area. So you can see throughout most of the late afternoon hours tomorrow, we do have showers in the area and a few thunderstorms. But you saw that initial batch of strong to severe storms coming through early tomorrow afternoon. But look what starts to happen tomorrow night. Let's get you up to about 10 o'clock. Look at this. Look at this squall line that's trying to form in western Kentucky, stretching all the way down into Tennessee, Mississippi, and even into parts of Louisiana. I mean, we're going to have to zoom out pretty far. Look at this whole system. So this run of the model has the low pressure right there. There's going to be the cold front, and it's all going to be marching to the east. So let's get you back in here and try to give you a good timing breakdown. There's 11 o'clock Friday night. You can see western Kentucky being inundated with showers and storms. Let's go up to 2 a.m. on Saturday. And, okay. It's not letting me move forward past 1 a.m. because it looks like this run of the model is still updating. But it looks like another round of strong to severe storms could come into our area sometime between 2 and 4 a.m. on Saturday. So, like I said, this is going to be a multiple round kind of deal. You saw tomorrow afternoon, late afternoon, early afternoon, maybe some strong to severe storms, and then possible late tomorrow night and into the early morning hours on Saturday, more strong to severe storms coming into the region. Like I said, this all could change. It's Thursday. This event's going to be happening tomorrow. These models, like I said, you can't take them to the bank. Don't take it for the gospel. Just know that it kind of gives us an idea, basically like saying, okay, this could happen at this time. That's kind of how I always look at modeling when it comes to weather. But, just, make sure and be prepared, be weather aware. The main threats, like I said, damaging winds and flash flooding, that's the main concerns, but there could be a few isolated tornadoes, and certainly we are going to be keeping a close watch on that. I'm going to try to push out another weather update coming up later on this afternoon where we will have a better idea on what's going to happen, so be watching for that, and also be watching our social media pages for the latest on any kind of severe weather information. Of course, if we start to get watches and warnings tomorrow, we will be live on the radio and also live on Facebook and YouTube, providing you with the very latest on the weather. So make sure and stay tuned, and you guys have a wonderful Thursday. Stay safe, and we will keep you up to date with the very latest.